morning to all. Friends, as you all know that the world has changed from these 2 years. This pandemic corona has shaken the world completely. Even India had to face tough situations. So, on the evening of 24th March 2020, the government of our India, PM Narendra Modi, ordered a nationwide complete lockdown for 21 days in an order to fight against COVID-19 pandemic. And here the problem started for common people. The most important problem faced by people was food, mental stress, and they lost their jobs. So lockdown brought all activities to a halt. Many celebrities, entrepreneurs have come together in the most extraordinary way to go to the extra mile and lend a hand. So here we are presenting a short skit to know the contribution of entrepreneurs, celebrities and players.
Hello everyone, welcome to our show Meeting with Eminent Personalities. Friends, as you know, our India is continuously fighting with the pandemic of COVID-19. Many Indian heroes have stepped up to help to fight COVID-19. They not only donated to organizations but also provided necessary equipments to the needs. Many celebrities such as Akshay Kumar, Amitabh Bachchan, Sonu Sood and Salman Khan have helped Indians to fight the crisis. Today, I am very eager to meet those personalities. So today we have invited superstar of Bollywood, Mr. Sonu Sood, captain of Indian cricket team, Mr. Virat Kohli, another Bollywood superstar, Mr. Akshay Kumar, founder of Infosys Foundation, Mrs. Sudha Murthy, the most renowned entrepreneur, Mr. Ratan Tata. So first, I would like to ask a question to Sonu sir. Sir, you have helped to rescue many migrant workers. Sir, tell us more about this initiative. What made you think about doing this?
Thank you, Didi. I was really very disturbed by seeing millions of migrants on the road. Then I felt really very bad. Then I realized not to feel bad, but to find a way for them. So I helped the people to reach back home and also provided medical and educational facilities. I arranged critically ill COVID-19 patients to be airlifted from Jhansi to Hyderabad. I became very sad when I couldn't receive the injections and oxygen for all the people. God is making it happen and we have chosen it as a tool. And it is a huge challenge and responsibility and journey will continue.
They are grateful to you. So let's see how they are praising you.
सोनू भैया, आप मेरे भाई की तरह है। आपने लोगों के लिए इतना काम किया है कि अब लोगों के दिल में आपकी जगह बन गई है। आपने हमारे लिए गाड़ी की व्यवस्था की और हमें गांव तक पहुंचाया। इसलिए हम हमारे परिवार के साथ खुशी खुशी रह रहे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। भगवान आपका भला करे।
Sir, we always believe that someone helps when we are in trouble. Someone rescue us, but really you are almighty to us. Thank you.
Sonu sir, it's not your job to save everyone. Some people are not even ready to help, but you are really humble. Without any expectation, you wipe our tears. Thank you.
Sonu sir, we got a huge relief and encouragement. I really bravery. Even you were threatened many times by the political leaders, but you didn't give up and came forward to help. You are really an inspiration to present yours. Thank you.
कोरोना काल में गरीब लाचारों के नायक नहीं, आप महानायक हो। आप ग्रेट हो सर। अपनी दुआओं में मैं आपको याद करता हूँ। भगवान आपका भला करे।
Sir, we have invited many fans of yours. They are eagerly waiting to hear your famous dialogue. So will you please say any dialogue from your favorite movie?
Sure. कानून के हाथ और केडी सिंह की लात दोनों भी बहुत लंबी है। अरुंधति मेरी मोमबत्ती, अरुंधति मेरी मोमबत्ती।
A great cricket player across the country, a captain of Indian cricket team, none other Mr. Virat Kohli. A person down to the earth who contributed towards the COVID-19. So please share your views.
Thank you, Mansi. What to answer you? This is the best situation we are facing. Instead of stopping behind, we should join our hands together. Unity is needed to our country now. Whatever happens, we must face. It pains us to see our country suffer. We are grateful to all the people who are fighting to save India, but they need our help now. So, I and my wife Anushka started a Creative campaign and we raised 7 crore for our COVID relief work. We also urged our fans on social media to fight against COVID-19, and so I am doing my part to keep my country safe and strong.
Thank you, sir. So many people helped directly to the people who were affected due to this pandemic. Meanwhile, some people helped by fundraising to the needy, like for medical equipments like oxygen cylinders, medicines required for the treatment of COVID-19. So among them, one of the biggest stars is Akshay Kumar. Sir, please share your views.
Thank you so much, Nancy.
Donated 100 oxygen cylinders to non-profit organization called the IVIC
Foundation. 25 crores are donated to PM Welfare Fund and 1 crore to Gautam Gambhir Foundation. We need our country to be strong. I have done my bit to donate.
Sir, we have invited many fans of yours. They are eagerly waited to hear a dialogue. So will you please say any dialogue of your favorite movie?
Sure. Don't angry me. जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो मैं करता हूँ और जो मैं नहीं बोलता वो मैं डेफिनेटली करता हूँ.
Thank you, sir.
Coronavirus has harmed us in more ways. Yes, of course, it has killed many lives. Vaccination is going on. The more than vaccine treatment, the more that we need is compassion. We need understanding, and so many people have lost their jobs. Today, in this show, I am happy to introduce the chairperson of Infosys Foundation, Mrs. Sudha Murthy.
Good morning, Namaste. The world has changed. 13 national natural disasters happened, but nothing like this pandemic. From 7 months, I am continuously working for COVID-related issues. Number 1 is mental illness. People are suffering with lockdown, no job, economic loss. Normally, I get lots of the calls in that women are getting harassed at home. Children are not listening, not going to school or colleges. Secondly, vegetable vendors, flower vendors, auto rickshaw drivers. They suffer because there was no business. Third, artists, priests, all of them suffer because there was no performance. If they perform, they will only get daily wages. Certain rules and regulations people do not follow. They say it doesn't matter. So with this Infosys Foundation, we felt, what can we do for this issue? So we decided to distribute dry rations to thousands of kids. So at least they can spend the money. We distributed lots of medicines in rural areas. And to connect them, we have also distributed the computer in rural areas. Thank you.
Indeed, you have done a great job. Some people would like to thank you. So let's see what they say.
Thank you so much. Indeed, you did a great job for us. We, the students of rural areas, were deprived from education due to this pandemic situation. By providing us computers, you have done a great help to us. Thank you so much.
मैम, मैं एक गरीब और विकृत हूँ. इस कोरोना की महामारी के कारण मैं एक अस्पताल में भर्ती हुआ था. मेरे पास इलाज के लिए पैसे भी नहीं थे. तो अपने मेरे अस्पताल का बिल भरवाने के लिए मैं तुम्हारा शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ.
You and your wonderful team provided a lot of essential during this pandemic. Thank you so much.
You are like our mother. As a rickshaw driver, when our business was stopped, you were a ray of hope for us. You provided dry ration for 500 families. I want to my heartfelt thanks. For God bless you always, ma'am. Thank you.
We are proud to meet a leader and inspirational personalities, none other, Mr. Entrepreneur Ratan Tata. Sir, tell us more about your personal learning from this crisis. What should young entrepreneurs and young professionals should do at this time?
Thanks, Neil. What is there to tell about it? I am not doing any great. It's just a part of humanity. I suffered when I see my people in hospital, in cremation and in pain. Yes, I donated 500 crores to PM Modi Relief Fund to support to fight COVID-19. Our team visited ventilator suppliers and underwent training in installation to help and guide medical staff. Over 1,000 ventilators and respirators donated. 4 lakh PPE kits, 3.5 million masks and gloves are distributed. Thanks to all reporters and audience. God bless you all.
Contribution is really praiseworthy. It cannot be expressed in words. So let's see how people are expressing their emotions.
मेरी माँ अकेली है, वो बहुत बीमार है। इस कोरोना के वजह से मैं अपनी माँ के साथ नहीं हूँ, पर इस लॉकडाउन में मैं अपने गांव भी नहीं जा सकता। हमारी मजदूरी बंद हो गई थी। हमारी मजदूरी बंद हो गई थी। खाना नहीं मिल रहा था। गांव से शहर आ रहे थे। रतन सर ने हमारी मदद नहीं करते तो हम भूखे मर जाते।
Respected sir, I have no word to appreciate you. You are not only a successful businessman but also an ideal role model for all of us. You help our people in different ways. God bless you always with good health and happiness. Thanks.
Namaste sir. Sir, you have created the history not only by helping people but also understanding them and provide all the deadly things for the worker working in your company. You deserve all the blessings of all the people.
So here we presented skit based on Indian heroes. During this pandemic, India was having tough situation. Many celebrities, entrepreneurs and players came forward and gave helping hand, economic help, etc. But if they are helping us and doing something for our nation, so why we can't also help the nation? Now you must be thinking how? Just by following certain rules and regulations declared by government. It is observed that during this pandemic, we people do not follow the rules. We are becoming careless. Friends, we should definitely take some inspiration from these people who are always ready to help others. Thank you.